Hey guys, so we'll take a quick look at the cottage here. Nighttime pictures never quite do it justice. I think the only thing we're missing that I would add here is on the front porch, we're going to put a little downlight there to highlight it, but I think the light in the two sides of the windows was nice, create some symmetry. We're just missing a little bit of a dark spot in the middle there, and then as we kind of go around the side, we only use 6 lights on this guy, which is nice, but we just kind of highlight it again around the side here. Just to give a little bit, and as it gets darker, you'll really be able to see the subtleties in the light. A little bit higher up is just tough to see right now, and then again by the entrance, we did the same thing over on this side, and I think everything turned out really nice. Very subtle lighting, but just enough to make it pop so that you can kind of see it from a distance. And then we'll show you the driveway here again as we get a little bit better light as it gets a little bit darker here.
Hey guys, it's Cal from The Lighting Doctor here. I hope you guys enjoy this video with some more great landscape lighting tips. To learn more about landscape lighting, go and check out our website at lightingdoctor.ca, or if you want to see what a real quality landscape light should look like, go and check out our Try It Before You Buy It offer, where you can get a premium quality fixture at a discounted rate with your very own battery pack, so you can go and test out how that light's going to look and feel what a real premium quality light should look like. So go and check us out at lightingdoctor.ca, or go watch more videos on YouTube just by searching for The Lighting Doctor.
Hey guys, so this is a really cool example of a beautiful driveway leading down to the ocean. This is why I love the moonlighting effect, and I don't know how well you're going to be able to see it in this video, but we've got about 3 or 4 lights up above in the trees shining down, and if you can see, this is what's cool, is we kind of light the driveway and create these cool shadowing patterns that make it look like we have a full moon. And by far my favorite feature, and the thing we get commented on the most. Yes, it is a lot more work to get those lights up in the trees, but the effect is pretty phenomenal. So if you are up for it, I would definitely recommend a combination of some downlighting and some uplighting on the trees. Create some really cool effects. Hey guys, just another cool example. If you can see this top peak here, where we used a couple gutter mounts and just focused them in on that top peak. Really turns out second story peaks, definitely something you want to focus on if you can get the lights up there. Definitely brings your landscape lighting plan to the next level. Hey guys, so I'm just rolling up to the house here, and again, nighttime pictures never do it justice, because I really wish you could see what I see here with these giant cedar trees that are just very subtly lit up, cabin lit up in the background, some nice deck lighting, as well as the cottage on the side that they're converting into, believe it or not, a little goat ranch. So the goats will have some nice light, and then we're gonna just move down the driveway here, which is probably my favorite area. So we have a bit of a dark spot here just because of lack of trees and stuff, but closer to the house and the entryway coming in is where everything really stands out. And you'll see as we kind of get to our first light, what's cool is we were able to get this one up nice and high in the trees above some of the branches and create some cool shadows here. I wish we had more trees around the driveway in this area, because I would do this even more, but it really stands out. Lights the base of the tree, as well as we have another tree lit just to the right of it here. Coming from this way, you don't see it as much, but driving up the driveway, it really stands out. And then, in my opinion, the real highlight here is actually from the gate coming up. We've got a bunch of trees lit from down below shining up, and then we've got some amazing shadowing happening here that really makes this front entryway stand out. This is why I love the downlighting effect. We can see all the shadows of the trees, and just some really cool effects. And not only that, but now as you drive up to the gate, it really stands out here, and we'll see if we can't get a picture from the roadside for you without blinding you. But now what's cool is this is what you see when you pull up to this at night, which is really cool. And we're going to be adding a lot more things to this property. I'm going to talk to them about a couple ideas, but it's a pretty inviting entryway to come into now, and I think probably the thing I'm most excited about, except for Deer, who just came through our path here. Even he likes the entryway, so that's the magic of downlighting, guys. It's my favorite thing to do. It's a lot of work, lugging a ladder around and all that, but the effect, as you can see, is worth it.
I'm going to try and do this real quick because we've got a lot of drive traffic here, but this is why we light up pillars. We got a couple in-ground lights that are lighting this entryway, and they look really, really good. So I mean, anytime you got an entryway, whether it be to your home or to your driveway, I think you're doing it a huge disservice if you don't get some lights in there. I like the in-ground lights too because they start right at the base, so they light that whole thing up from top to bottom. So something to consider anytime you got a nice entryway is definitely use those in-ground. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you this real quick. If you see here, we got this bed area, and this was an area that was totally isolated, that we couldn't get wire to really. We got this nice, beautiful brick walkway here, but we're out on Vancouver Island where it is an island, most of it's rock, and there's just no way we could tunnel underneath that sidewalk without going super deep and totally messing up the gardens. So what we did is, if you see behind me here, on this bush that goes up and then across the doorway here and then back down, what we did is we actually used the gutter, and we actually ran wire up the gutter, over the doorway, and down into this bed here, and we were easily able to do that. And now we didn't have to tear up the whole garden, but we can get power here and still keep all our lights on the same transformer. So sometimes you got to be a little creative with how you get wire to different areas, but there's always a way. And you'd never even know that that wire's there, because where we came back down in the bed is right behind a trellis that we ended up highlighting and featuring anyway, that you guys can't tell from the video, but I can see it's starting to look really, really good. So I'm glad we lit that up, and that wire's totally hidden, so you'd have no idea how we got that wire there. So sometimes you got to be a little creative. You don't always have to go under the sidewalk, so think of alternative ways.
Hey guys, so we'll take a quick look at the cottage here. You know, nighttime pictures never quite do it justice. I think the only thing we're missing that I would add here is on the front porch, we're going to put a little downlight there to highlight it, but I think the light in the two sides of the windows was nice, create some symmetry. We're just missing a little bit of a dark spot in the middle there, and then as we kind of go around the side, we only use 6 lights on this guy, which is nice, but we just kind of highlight it again around the side here. Just to give a little bit, and as it gets darker, you'll really be able to see the subtleties in the light. A little bit higher up is just tough to see right now, and then again by the entrance, we did the same thing over on this side, and I think everything turned out really nice. Very subtle lighting, but just enough to make it pop so that you can kind of see it from a distance. And then we'll show you the driveway here again as we get a little bit better light as it gets a little bit darker here.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys got some great do-it-yourself landscape lighting tips. Now please be sure to go to our website at lightingdoctor.ca and check out our how-to page. It's full of great resources, from our podcast to our video to our most frequently asked questions. And also check out our Try It Before You Buy It light, where you can actually go now and get one of our premium quality uplights and a King Innovation Insta-Light, which is basically a battery pack now that allows you to go and run those lights and test them out on your property. Try it for 14 days. If you don't love it, send it back to us and we'll give you a full refund. And if not, you keep the light at a discounted rate and go and buy what you need for your project. So thanks again for watching. Please be sure to leave us a comment. We love your feedback. Have a great day.